Okay, we have 20 pencils that weigh 12 ounces, right? 20 pencils that weigh 12 ounces, right? Pencils, ounces, right? And now we want to see what 50 pencils would weigh, right? X ounces. So first, I think it's always prudent to simplify, right? So this becomes 5 over 3, right? Because they have a common factor, right? 4 divided by 4 divided by 4, right? And equals 50 over x. And now you could cross multiply, but in these cases it's easier to see that we multiplied by 10 in the numerator, so we should multiply by 10 in the denominator. And we get 3 times 10 is 30, and that's ounces. So 50 pencils would weigh 30 ounces.